Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Canva and Kittl, two of the most exciting design platforms out there right now. I'll break down their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, customer support, and more. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which tool fits your creative needs better. And after watching this video, if you decide to go with Canva, check out the link that I've added in the description. And if you use that link, you'll get access to a premium course and some great Notion templates, all for free just through my link. Now let's get started. First off, let's talk about both platforms. Canva is a super popular tool for graphic design. It works for beginners and pros and lets you create all kinds of things like social media posts, presentations, flyers, posters, and even short videos. It's really simple to use with its drag and drop editor and tons of templates. Plus, it also has AI tools that help you make professional designs, even if you've never done it before. Now, on the other hand, Kittl is a newer platform that's been getting a lot of attention. It's great for designers who need advanced tools for things like typography and vector artwork. Now, Kittl is perfect for creating logos, t-shirt designs, labels, and detailed illustrations. It's easy to use, but also gives you more control for precise editing, which is great for creatives who want more flexibility. Now let's talk about the features. Canva is super versatile and easy to use. It comes with millions of templates, stock images, videos, fonts, and cool options for teams to collaborate. It also has handy tools like a background remover, AI text-to-image creation, and even social media scheduling. These extras make it a great choice for businesses that want to make content quickly and easily. Meanwhile, Kittl is all about detailed design. It offers powerful vector editing, advanced text effects, and growing collections of templates designed for product branding, print projects, and vintage-style graphics. Now, one of its best features is how it handles text. Kittl's tools for creating detailed typography are more advanced than Canva's, so if you're into designing intricate fonts or scalable vector art, Kittl might be the better option. Next, let's talk about the user experience. Canva is known for being super easy to use. Now, beginners and experienced users alike can jump in and create something great in just a few minutes. It works online and is available on both desktop and mobile so that you can work on your projects literally anywhere. Kittl also has a clean and simple design, but it's better suited for people with some design experience. The learning curve isn't too hard, but some of the tools like vector editing are great for users who want more control instead of relying on templates. Now about those integrations. Canva works smoothly with platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and social media networks. This makes it simple to share and publish your work directly. Kittl, however, focuses more on design and doesn't have as many options for publishing or scheduling content. So if you need a tool that fits well into your marketing process, Canva is a better choice. For pricing, Canva has a free plan, Canva Pro for $6.50 per month for one person, and Canva Teams for $5 per month per person. Kittl also has a free plan, but their Pro plan costs $15 per month per editor, and they also offer Expert at $30 per month per editor, and of course Business comes in at $90 per month per editor. So, which one should you choose? Well, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one design tool that works great for everything from personal projects to social media campaigns, Canva is a fantastic pick. But if you're a designer who needs stronger vector editing, advanced typography, and detailed control for print and branding projects, Kittl offers some serious creative power. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.